Yeah, if you look, this place is beautiful. There's Mount Baldy. You can kind of see the reflection. You can see the fish jumping. This would be the place to fish right over here. This is probably where the water's coming in. Where it's deep too. The deep end of the lake. Yeah, so I saw one jump right there. This would be the place to fish is over here. Gotta go where the fish are. If you want to catch fish, I think we'll just leave the fish alone. This is just one of our many nature hikes we've taken. Just wanted to share it with you. Of course, I got the big boy with me. Mama didn't feel good, so she stayed in the camper. See if we can see the mountain. You can see the fish jumping. That's for certain. Fly might do good here. Or spinner. Or single salmon egg. I prefer fly fishing. Hi. You catch any fish? No? Keep trying. They're out there. It's good for you to walk, especially in this stuff. Got to be about 10,000 feet. I can tell by the way it takes my breath away. I like to hike Mount Baldy. Come on, mind your own business. You gonna get a drink, huh? That'd be the place to fish where the water comes in.
Yeah.
You're gonna be the one catching the fish. Rocky Mountain goats. There might be some goats up on that hill. Goats stand on the edge of cliffs, you know. Crazy things. Got suction cups on their bottom of their feet. It's absolutely beautiful. Very nice. Can't always get the lighting just right. We can see the rainbows in the air. There's tons of light frequencies coming in today. Just floored Sarah. You're not sick, you're getting ascension symptoms. The planet's gone full-blown ascension. The planet's already ascended. Just waiting for us to catch up. Land of milk and honey. We got smokers over here. Hate that shit. Come on. I'm coming. Whoa. They're jumping all around your pole. How's that little pole do? I got one like that.
The littlest loves it, fits her head, but I have the first day. So
Yeah.
it's not bad. I'd run a new line on it.
Yeah.
A little bit bigger.
It's not strong enough, is it? Yeah, well. I'll have a lot of room, so.